Good morning, Periscope. How you doing? It's Belina. It's a new season. It's a new day. A fresh anointing will be coming your way. The song says a season of power and prosperity. It's a new season. It's a new day. Today is the second day of spring. What do you have planned for this week? Again, yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is not promised. It's all about loving yourself. In this new season, what do you have planned for today? What do you have planned for yourself? It's also Holy Week. What do you have planned for this week? What do you have planned for today? What are you going to do for today? Or I'm going to walk on my lunch break. I didn't get up early enough to go to the gym or to walk this morning, but I will walk on my lunch break. This season, I plan to walk further. I plan to work out harder. I plan to walk further with God. I plan to love myself even the more. I plan to pamper myself. I plan to find more me time. I plan to get more heart healthy. I plan to walk this journey the best of my ability, but every day with God. In this new season, what do you plan to do? I plan to better myself. Because in order to better other people or to better my surroundings, I have to better myself. I can't tell nobody to walk this walk or to walk this journey if I'm not doing it for myself. It's all about me, myself, and I. I'm going to better myself on today. I'm going to better myself this season and for the rest of my journey. Anything I didn't do yesterday, that's all right. Today's a new day to start. So if you did nothing last week, good morning. If you did nothing last week, what are you going to do today? Today, don't kick yourself. Don't become your worst enemy. Get up, get started, get moving, push yourself a little further, push yourself a little harder, push yourself a little stronger. We can do this. I will continue to say we can do this. We can get heart healthy together. We can walk this journey together, but we can only do this if you make it singular and say that you want to do this. You got to transform your mind and believe in your heart, trust in the Lord, and know that you can do all things through Him. In this new season and this new day, what do you have planned for yourself? It's a new season, it's a new day, fresh anointing is coming our way. It's going to be a season of power and prosperity. It's a new season. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Put your best foot forward. Push yourself further than you ever pushed yourself in this season. If you push yourself in this season, I promise you, you will continue to do it for the rest of the year. Summer, fall, and winter, you will do it for the rest of the year. You will be stronger. You will be greater. You will be more positive. You will be able, good morning. You will be able to do all the things that you want to do, but you have to want to do it for yourself. Not for me, not for your husband, not for your kids, not for your family, for yourself. Make a believer out of yourself. Go look in the mirror and say, I do want to do this. I want a better me. I want a better me. I want a better me in this new season, in this new day. I will start today. I will start today. Today is Monday. I always say I don't know what's up with people wanting to start things on Monday. Today is Monday. What are you going to do to start off this work week, this school week for some people? Some moms and dads are stay-at-home parents. What are you going to do in your house? Will you work out at your house? Will you go in your backyard and clean it up? Will you walk around the block? Will you go to the gym? What are you going to do? Will you jump rope? Will you pop in a DVD and work out in front of your television? It starts with you. It starts with one. It starts with us being one. You got to want to do this thing for yourself. I will continue to come on here and tell you all how I love me. I love myself. I'm in love with myself. But it took some time for me to get to this point. It did not happen overnight. I went through some ups and downs. I went through some bumps in the road. I didn't already told the story. I still have some more to tell. And one day I will tell, or maybe I won't. But I told enough to let you know that if God can allow me to love on me and to get my life back on track, He can do it for you. God got some promises for you, and it's going to take some time for you to get there. It does not happen overnight. If your self-esteem is low, it will not rise overnight. If your dignity is low, it will not rise overnight. But this is a new season. It's a new day. A fresh anointing is coming your way. It's a season of power and prosperity. You can do this. You can learn to love yourself. You can learn to you can learn how to get right with yourself. Good morning. You can learn how to look in the mirror and see the real you. And then not only that, you can look in the mirror and see the you that you want to be. You can see the you that you know it won't come overnight, because you did not lose yourself overnight. If you lost yourself in your lifelong journey right now, you actually lost it. It happened in a process. You lost yourself due to people, places, and things, circumstances. You lost yourself because of some things that wasn't even in your control. You lost yourself. But I promise you, if you take the time during this new season, during this holy week, during this new day, you will get back you. You will get back self-control. You will get back understanding. You will get back your dignity. You will get back your power. You will become stronger. Your self-esteem will become higher. And when people say, well, who you think you are and why you walking the way you walking, and they call you things like conceited, or they say things like, you're not better than me, you say, listen, when God made me, what did I tell y'all? He broke the mold. I don't care what nobody say. I don't think I'm better than nobody, but my confidence level is so high because I set a standard for myself. So you got to set a standard for yourself. And again, do not become your worst enemy. If you make plans or say you're going to do certain things throughout this week, don't kick yourself. Don't become your worst enemy. Don't say, I cannot do that. I should have did it, but I didn't do it. Oh my God, I was supposed to run 5 miles yesterday. Now I got to run 10 miles a day. No, you don't. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is not promised. We're going to start here. We're going to start now. In this new season, this new day, a fresh anointing is coming your way. Periscope family, have a God great day on purpose. I love you all, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.